Well, we are sitting here nice and pretty here in Northeast Mississippi, but we do have some bands of rain that have been moving through over the past few hours. This cold front, it's a little weak, it's not very strong, but it has brought some precipitation to our area, and it's making its way slowly east over the past few hours, sitting in the 70s right now with partly cloudy skies. Looks a little bit more cloudy on that campus cam than it says, but skies will attempt to clear up over the next few hours. A little humid outside, but it's not too bad overall. That 70-degree temp is keeping it feeling at least a little nice. As for the rest of the day, we will be topping out at about 80. Partly cloudy skies, as we kind of mentioned earlier this morning. And it's just going to be a little bit of a warmer day. That cold front really isn't going to kick in until later in the afternoon, in the evening. You'll see Monday, 12 p.m., your lunch hour, that cold front has already made its way through. Things will start to cool down as we head overnight and into Tuesday morning. And by the time we get to Tuesday morning, things will have cleared out. Some of those clouds return Wednesday at 8 a.m. Tuesday's a little bit of an uneventful day. And then as we get to your dinner hour on Wednesday, that's when all the big stuff happens. That low pressure system, along with that trough and dry line, bringing these showers and thunderstorms to our east, along with a cold front. That's going to be our next temperature dropper, if you will. That's going to drop temperatures down later in the week. As for tonight, starting in the high 40s for the night, a little cold, definitely jacket weather compared to what we've seen the past few days. Tomorrow, low 70s, maybe high 60s near Fulton, but overall in the low 70s. It's going to be feeling very comfortable outside. I'm certainly happy that we've finally returned to these fall temperatures. We're not really sitting in the 80s anymore. I don't expect us to stay in the 80s too many more days this year. And if you look at our temperature pattern for the week, it's kind of an undulating pattern when it comes to temperatures. Starting at 80, kind of dropping a little bit with that front, rising again, dropping with that front, and we're going to be dropping again by the end of the week, slowly increasing to about the high 60s by the end of the week. Notice that we do have our lows sitting mostly in the 50s to high 40s, very consistent overnight. You really won't be noticing those unless you're waking up early, but it's something that I thought I would mention. As for the rest of the week, our pattern is this, starting in the 80s, dropping down to the mid 70s, and then further dropping to the mid 60s by our weekend. Our rain chances mostly confined to midweek, but as we head into the weekend, into game day, into homecoming, into Halloween, things should clear up and feel much more comfortable here in the area.